Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this bling pillow out of the buffalo check baby blanket from Dollar Tree. What you're going to need is one of the blankets and one of the automotive cloths that they sell, and just a piece of scrap fabric. Dollar Tree actually sells fabric now, and some of the diamond wrap in whatever color you want to use. I'm just using the silver. You're going to need some scissors and a hot glue gun or some type of adhesive. So what I've done is actually folded the blanket into quarters like so, trying to get the lines as even as possible, just smoothing it out here. And then I'm just going to cut along that fold line. So we'll have two equal halves. So you'll be able to get two pillows out of one blanket. So as you can see, when you open it up, we have a nice even half of the blanket. Now I'm just matching the ends together so that I could run my hot glue around the edge, creating, a nice little seal for our pillow. And be careful if you use a hot glue gun, because this is fabric and you can burn yourself. You can also use like a fabric glue or E6000 if you want to, but I'm just going to use this hot glue. And I'm just trying to keep the lines matched up and even so that the finished product will look neat. I'm just going to repeat on 3 sides. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it inside out so that we have a nice finished edge. And make sure you poke the corners and make sure that they're nice and crisp. Okay, now we're gonna add our embellishments. I took the automotive cloth and I used my Go Big fabric cutter machine and cut out some fall shapes, a pumpkin and some leaves. But you can do the same thing by hand. Just use a template, or you can use your Cricut or Silhouette if you have one. Super simple, super easy. You can just find a template online if you don't have, a cutting machine, and like I said, cut it out by hand. So I wanted to add a nice little fall touch to my Diva space, and the colors that I have going are silvers and grays and the sparkly sort of theme. So I wanted the pillow to match, so that's why I chose these colors when it comes to the fabrics. And I love the 3D look that the automotive cloth gives the pumpkin cutout, so that's why I chose to put it in the middle, sort of as a the focal point on the pillow. And I'm just picking out how I want it to look, or fitting the design to the front of the pillow. Now I'm just going to add some hot glue to attach it to the front. And again, be careful if you use hot glue. And you really don't have to worry about it bleeding through, because the fabric is thicker than usual. It's thicker than most fabrics. It's not the best quality fleece, but you don't have to worry about it seeping through. If you use a wetter adhesive like a liquid glue or something, you may want to insert a piece of cardboard or something on the inside to keep it from soaking through, but the hot glue is not gonna seep through. Okay, so now that I've got that done, we're going to add the embellishment by using the diamond wrap. And what I've done is actually cut the diamond wrap in half. I cut a strip like so. And this is the 2-row diamond wrap. I think it comes in 3 or 4 rolls. But anyway, I'm just cutting it in half. So I'll have one strip, I guess, of the diamond wrap. I didn't want it thick. And so I'm just gonna sort of mimic the lines of a pumpkin by using the diamond wrap to add that bling factor to the pillow. And I'm trying to manipulate it, you know, adding a curve. And it's fairly easy to do. But again, be careful if you use hot glue. And I cut the strip a little longer than the actual pumpkin. So here I'm just cutting off the excess, making it even with the top of the pumpkin. Like so. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but, you know, bending it in the other direction. And you guys know how pumpkins are, so you just work with it how you choose to. All right, and then I added just a single strip down the center of the leaves, and now I'm taking an old pillow that I had and using the stuffing from that, and I'm going to stuff this pillow. And that's a great way to recycle pillows. Just use an old one. You don't have to buy the actual pillow stuffing if you don't want to. And I've overstuffed this one because I wanted it nice and plump and full. And now I'm just sealing up the hole where we stuffed it through and just sort of fluffing it out a little bit. And there you go. So here it is on my little sofa in my Diva space, and I love how it looks. The pillows that are with it, I made about a year or so ago, and I'll post that link below. They're made from placemats, some bling placemats that I picked up from Big Lots. So if you want to see how to make those, check out the link. And yeah, I love, love, love how it looks and adds that touch of fall to my Diva space. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.